Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure iOS is updated. That prevents conflicts. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, and enable it now. Choose the appropriate identity so limits apply correctly. Once enabled, set a dedicated screen time passcode. This prevents accidental changes. You're doing this to enforce consistent rules. The passcode separates parental controls versus personal limits. Make sure to record the passcode in a secure place, because losing it forces a reset and wastes time. Now configure the meat of screen time, app limits and downtime. Go to App Limits, add categories or single apps, set hours per day, and customize weekdays versus weekends. This creates automatic cutoffs. Next, schedule downtime for your focus period. Only allowed apps and calls pass through. Use always allowed sparingly. Add phone and messages if you need essentials. Once done, these rules enforce behavior automatically, so you don't have to decide in the moment. That's why precision matters here. Finish by turning on Share across devices if you want consistent limits on iPad or Mac. This keeps rules uniform. If you manage a child, use Family Sharing to set, approve, and monitor requests from your device. Then monitor weekly reports to adjust limits based on real use. Troubleshooting tip: if limits don't apply, restart the iPhone. Confirm iCloud is signed in with the same Apple ID. And if necessary, reset the screen time passcode through settings. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.